Oh, hi. Did you know that your hair care routine needs to change with the changing seasons? Hold on, wait a minute. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how your hair care routine needs to change with changing seasons, because the dryness of the season, the climate, the humidity is going to affect the frizziness and the dullness of your hair as well. So you need to change your routine as the season changes. Before we get started with the video though, hello, I am Jovita, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, there is a subscribe button just underneath. Click it, okay? Let's get into it, guys. Tip number 1. Start incorporating a nourishing hair mask into your hair. And make sure that you choose your hair mask depending on your hair texture. I like to use a rich, hydrating and nourishing hair mask because I have a lot of bleach. This is specifically made for damaged hair. If you have curly hair, you can use a mask that is designed for curly hair. If you have fine hair, get something that is light for your hair. But definitely start using a hair mask. And also check the instructions, guys, because sometimes you need to use a hair mask post-wash and sometimes pre-wash. Tip number 2, take care of your scalp, because healthy hair starts from healthy scalp, and if you neglect your scalp, you guys, you are going to have dry, brittle, unhealthy hair, and nobody wants that, okay? So I have fallen in love with scalp treatments, and there are so many in the market that are so amazing to completely nourish your scalp and make the health of your scalp way better than it is. I love the 2 new launches from Deconstruct. They have 2 new scalp treatments. One is their exfoliating serum and the other one is their anti-dandruff serum. The one over here is the anti-dandruff serum, and this is perfect for all kinds of scalp. If you have dry hair, oily hair, sensitive hair, it doesn't matter. This is going to calm down the skin of your scalp and also treat the dandruff. So 2 in 1. All you have to do is twist up the nozzle and put it on your scalp after your wash, after you shampoo your hair, and then run it all along your scalp and massage it right into your hair and into your scalp, and use this twice a week. It's gonna do magic. Now the second scalp treatment that they have is their exfoliating scalp treatment. It is like a serum that you apply on your scalp. Now we take care of our face and our neck and our body. Why are we not taking care of our scalp more? Please, someone explain it to me, okay? Now the exfoliating scalp treatment from Deconstruct has 18% AHA and 2% BHA to gently exfoliate the skin on your scalp to leave it feeling fresh and regenerated. Absolutely amazing for healthy hair growth. Even this serum you have to apply twice a week after your shampoo for manageable, beautiful hair, just like that. I love the texture of these serums because they feel exactly like a face serum. They're so light and they absorb so quickly into your scalp. They do not leave your scalp feeling sticky or greasy or oily, and it doesn't feel like an extra step. So it's very, very easy to incorporate this into your routine. You have your shampoo, you have a conditioner, and you have a scalp serum, and it does not add weight or greasiness to your hair. In fact, it leaves your scalp feeling tingly fresh, which is amazing. Point number 3, use a mild shampoo. Now, if you feel like your shampoo is way too harsh, it's making your hair too dry and frizzy and your scalp is too itchy, dilute your shampoo with a little bit of water and use that to shampoo your hair, because harsh shampoo is going to really damage your hair. And you also need to wash your hair only maximum of, guys, 2 or 3 times a week, okay? If you're washing your hair every day, you're also over shampooing. Stop oiling your hair. You'll be like, Jovi, what? Did you just say stop oiling your hair? I did. I really did, okay? So I think you shouldn't be oiling the lengths of your hair. You should be oiling the scalp, because once again, we're going back to that whole scalp treatment thing, right? Apply your Ayurvedic oils and let your scalp soak in all the benefits of the oil. When you apply the oil on the tips of your hair, you have to apply that much more shampoo. It dries it out to wash it all out. So use a hair mask to nourish the length of your hair and use the oil to grow the roots of your hair. Aloe vera to the rescue. I have made so many videos about aloe vera and the benefits of aloe vera for skin and hair from when I've started my channel, guys. But you can use aloe vera to add nourishment and bounce back to your hair, a little bit of health into your hair. If you have an aloe plant, you can actually chop up the leaf and, you know, extract the gel yourself, or you can buy aloe vera gel as it is, or you can even use a hair serum or a hair mask. with aloe vera in it. It's going to take down your frizz, it's going to nourish your hair and shine to your hair. I'm telling you, during any seasons, any time of the year, aloe vera is just perfect for your hair, guys. You can even add it to your hair oil, your scalp treatment. Aloe vera is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna say something that you are not gonna like, okay? Put a break on your heat styling, my love. Just stop it. Says the girl who has heat styled her hair well. See, if you kind of reduce the number of heat styling to once or twice a month, it's completely fine. But when the weather is humid and hot and your styling is not gonna stay anyway, why do you want to stress out your hair more? Because as seasons change, your hair is in a lot of stress and you're adding much more stress while you apply heat, and that's gonna cause breakage, dullness, dryness, and also a whole lot of frizziness. And nobody likes frizziness, my love, so just stop heat styling, okay? You may want to look into hair supplements. Now, I love taking supplements, a little bit of biotin, a little bit of hair vitamins. Never hurt anyone, guys. I've found personal results from taking multivitamins and supplements. So if you want to really amp up the growth of your hair and improve the quality of your hair, you may want to look into hair supplements and vitamins. There are so many in the market. I will try to link some for you down in the description bar below. So there you have it, guys, my 7 tips to amazing hair with changing seasons. I hope you had fun with this video and I hope you took a few tips, and I want to hear from you now. If you have any tips for me, guys, leave it in the comment section below, and I shall leave all the information of all the products I spoke about in the description bar below. And a huge shout out to Deconstruct for partnering with me in this video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Mwah.